what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick little chatty get ready with me. I thought this was the perfect opportunity to kind of film like my go-to look, if you will. Me and my boyfriend are about to go take some Instagram outfit photos, so I was like, oh, I should film myself getting ready and show you guys some of my favorite products and just kind of like how I've been doing my makeup generally these past couple months, because my go-to look, like, it always switches up a little bit, but this has been like how I've been doing it repeatedly, so I was like, oh, it's time to do a new go-to look for you guys. So before we get into it, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel just so you can stay updated whenever I upload my next video for you guys. I would also love if you guys would come follow me on Instagram as well, and I have a lot of stuff that I'm talking about with you guys in this video in regards to like new types of content and all that type of stuff, so please be sure to leave your feedback down below. I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll just get into the get ready with me now. So I'm gonna start off with sunscreen. This one's from Dermalogica. It's a new one, I think. It's the Prisma Protect. I always wear sunscreen every single day. It was my New Year's resolution. I've generally been pretty good about sunscreens, but sometimes I just kind of fall off the wagon. But now, you know, I'm like, no, sunscreen every single day. And that's really been something that I like hold myself to, and I make sure that I wear it every day, even if I don't wear makeup. It's just a good, you know, habit to have. For an illuminator, I'm gonna use the NARS Super Radiant Booster. Now, this is basically just gonna be like my, I guess I should call this like my go-to look, because this is gonna be generally how I do my makeup whenever I'm going out, or like just an everyday type of look. But it's also gonna be a little bit more amped up because we are gonna be taking photos. And I was gonna film a makeup tutorial today, but I didn't know what I wanted to film. So I was like, oh, I'll just do a talk through get ready with me, because those are always super fun. So, okay, coverage wise, I'm gonna be mixing a couple of things. You guys know I like generally a lighter base, so I'm gonna be using the Giorgio Armani Silk Luminous Foundation, and I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I just like how this kind of gives a little bit more coverage, but I don't want it to be, you know, full on, full glam. So I just mix them on the back of my hands. So I wanted to just basically talk to you guys. So I basically just have been thinking, like, I noticed that you guys have been requesting a lot more, you know, lifestyle-based content and just more stuff that's not necessarily beauty related. And my channel will always be like a beauty channel. Like, I love makeup, I love products, like I genuinely love teaching you guys techniques and sharing my thoughts on products with you guys. Like, beauty is always my first love, and it'll always be like my main channel focus. But I've just been seeing, like I said, a lot of you guys have been requesting for me to do some more, like, more so lifestyle based content. And so I was just thinking, like, I need to start doing lifestyle content for you guys. I need to prime these eyes, so I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. But anyway, I've just been noticing you guys have been requesting more lifestyle-based content, and so I'm just wondering, like, what types of lifestyle stuff that you guys wanna see on my channel. Just because I don't really know where to start with lifestyle. I'm trying to do more lifestyle by sharing, like, lifestyle favorites and stuff like that with you guys. But I also just want to know, you know, what other types of content you want to see from me. I was thinking, because a lot of you guys always ask me about my jeans whenever I do Instagram photos. So I was thinking of doing like top 5 favorite jeans for petite girls, because you guys know I am petite. I'm only 5'3". So I thought that could be helpful for you guys. Like, I could do like my top 5 favorite jeans for petite ladies, or I could do, I don't know, like, I'm just trying to think. Like, sometimes you guys say you want me to do a video on like my favorite coffee and stuff like that, so I was thinking I could do that type of stuff. But yeah, I just want some feedback from you guys. I'm gonna conceal, so I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Creamy and Custard. Just kind of like touch this right under the eyes. But yeah, I keep sidetracking because I have to keep talking about products, but I really want to do some lifestyle stuff this summer, especially because it's going to start warming up. And so And when my boyfriend's not doing his own thing, like working and stuff, he's always trying to help me, you know, shoot videos and photos and like come up with new types of content for you guys. I'm gonna fill in my brows. But yeah, it'll just be a lot easier this summer for him to kind of just like help me get videos for you guys. Cause you know, most of the time it's just me sitting in front of the camera filming beauty videos for you guys. So I really wanna take advantage of the warm weather. Maybe vlog more. Sometimes I feel like whenever I put up different types of content, a lot of people do come to my channel just for the beauty. So sometimes people don't like vlogs as much. So I'm just trying to, you know, pick your guys' brains and figure out like, would you like to see more vlogs on my channel? Would you like to see more lifestyle based content? Just so we can kind of switch it up from beauty every once in a while so that there's more than just, you know, tutorials for you guys to watch on my channel. Ooh, and another video that I was thinking about doing, like, cause you guys know I really wanna do a skin-based tutorial on my channel. So I was actually thinking about doing one on this new technique. It's actually called micro concealing, and it's basically like another, you know, no foundation type of look, but it's a little bit more targeted and you use like a bunch of different concealers. Sorry, my nose is super itchy, to achieve like a no makeup look. So I was thinking about doing that. So let me know if you guys would want to see that, because I want to do it, but I want to know if it's something that you guys want to watch. So I'm going to bronze. I'm using Bondi Bay from Nude Sticks. Sometimes I stripe this on my face and sometimes I pick it up with a brush. Today I just feel like picking it up with a brush. So I'm just gonna cream bronze a little bit. I've been using this Bondi Bay bronzer so much lately. I can't believe I didn't have this sooner. Like, I wish I had it before I filmed my cream bronzer video where I show you guys like all my favorites, because this would have been like up there in the top 3. This one is really so good. And it's so easy to apply. And I like how you can use a brush or you can apply it straight out of the bullet. So I like how there's like different application methods with it, but the shade is so great. It's a cream, but it sets down to a matte. So it's like super ideal in my opinion. You guys have to get it if you haven't already. It's like always in my makeup bag now and I can't stop using this bronzer. The other one of these nudies matte things from Nude Sticks, you guys know what I'm talking about, is the shade Sunkissed. This you can use as a bronzer, they said, as well, but I just think it's the most beautiful blush color, and I think it's gonna be so nice in the summer. Like, it's gonna be my go-to this summer. I can already tell you guys that, because I'm already using it so much. So it's already my go-to, but it is like the most perfect bronze flush. The tone is just everything. Like, I hope you guys can see just how good the tone looks, like right on the apple of the cheek. It just gives you like a really nice, realistic flush that's easy to pull off every day. It also looks so pretty on your lips as a lipstick. I'll probably do that today just so you guys can see it on the lips as well. I'm gonna throw just a little bit of powder on, so I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder. I've really been loving this because it's super finely milled, and I feel like for me, it doesn't make me look chalky, which I hate when powders kind of emphasize dryness in my skin. And I do have a little bit of eczema on my face because I ate pizza last weekend and I'm still kind of recovering from that wheat eczema rash that I always get. Like, every time I eat wheat, I just get like these really weird eczema flare-ups all over my eyes. I'm gonna take a little bit of eyeshadow. This is Data Issues from MAC. I'm just gonna use that kind of as like my all over lid color, because I'm not really going for a super intense eyeshadow look. Like, I just like a matte brown in the eyelid for pretty much every day. It's either gonna be like a shimmery brown or a matte brown. I just like a nice brown all over the lid. You could use bronzer too, but I've just been liking this one. It's a good tone. I need to put eye drops in. I should have done that before I did my makeup, because that's just gonna make my eye makeup run. I'm taking that same Data Issues shade and I'm just kind of like brushing it on my lower lash line and using this to kind of like pack it a little bit tighter on the lid too, just so I get a little bit more coverage. And then for mascara, I'm gonna do one of my favorites. This is Dior Show mascara. I love this stuff. It's really great for just making your lashes look super long and thick, so they actually, you know, show up in photos. So I'm just gonna do a couple coats of this, put a little bit on my eyelid. Oh well, doesn't matter. It's not a tutorial. As long as I'm not doing a tutorial, like if I'm just doing a get ready with me, I don't stress as much as about making everything look perfect. Whereas when I do tutorials, I take so much time to really like show you guys how to do the makeup absolutely perfect. And I like fix all my mistakes and, you know, make everything look as pristine as possible. But then when I'm doing my own makeup, I'm way more careless. Okay, and then I also like to kind of really pop a lot on the lower lashes, just so that they're looking nice and long. I don't know if I'm gonna do something with my hair today or if I'm just gonna like let it be all natural and not styled. Okay, I seriously keep getting sidetracked. Anyway, I'm just trying to think of like stuff that you guys really want to see. Food videos, I've been thinking about doing like smoothie stuff because, you know, I love smoothies. When I did that acai bowl, you guys, a lot of you really liked that, so I thought that could be cool. Not an acai bowl, but like my favorite, like, I don't know, protein smoothies and stuff like that. I'm gonna be doing another lifestyle favorites video soon, so you guys will get to see that, because I have a bunch of like random stuff that's not necessarily beauty, you know, beauty based that I want to share with you. I'm gonna set my brows. I'm using the Benefit 24-hour brow gel. It's probably the UPS guy. Screwing up my shot, but at least it's not a tutorial, right? So lip-wise, I've really been liking kind of like this lip contouring technique. So I use a brown lip liner. This is Nude Truffle from NYX. And I use this one to overline, just to kind of create like a little bit of a shadow overline, just like that. And then I take a nude that's still, you know, brown based, but a little bit fleshier. So I'm gonna use this one from Makeup Forever. This one is in the shade, I believe it's 3C. Yes, it is. And I do this one like more towards the inner part of the lid, like right over top. And then I'm gonna put Sunkissed on my lips. Like I'm gonna wear it as a lipstick so you guys can see how pretty this is on the lips too, because it's such a good lip color. And I'll just kind of like blot it on. And then just a tiny bit of gloss. So I'm gonna use the Dior Lip Maximizer. Just a little bit, so it's not too matte. I'm a glossy lip girl. Like I don't really love a matte lip unless it's like a bold color. And then I'm going to set my entire face with Lancome Fix It and Forget It. This stuff is the absolute best. Just all over. My shirt has holes in it, so I felt it like hitting my chest. I was like, what is this? And then I just fan it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did go back in and put eyebrow pencil over like my moles and freckles just so that they kind of shine through the makeup, so it just makes the base look a little bit more light-handed rather than so full coverage, because this is a little bit more full coverage just for taking photos. But this is like, you know, how I've been doing my makeup a lot lately. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments down below. I always do my best to get back to every single one of you. And I always link the products and, you know, have all the information and stuff for you guys in the description box as well. But this Get Ready With Me was just solely for the fact to just like, you know, talk to you guys and kind of get your insight on other types of tutorial, not even necessarily tutorials, but you know, other types of content that you guys would want to see on my channel soon. Am I still in focus? Yeah, okay. Because I really want to take advantage of the warmer weather and try to do more lifestyle content. Don't be worried though, because my channel will always be beauty based. Like I said, makeup is what I love the most, and you guys won't be losing any types of tutorials or reviews or get ready with me, things like that. You guys won't be missing any of that, but I do notice that a lot of you have been requesting more lifestyle types of content, like morning routines and stuff like that, which I don't know if I'm gonna do that because I don't know how I would film that. I don't know. It's a lot to think about, but I really want to take advantage of the warm weather coming up and just trying to do, different types of content for you guys, and my boyfriend's like totally down to help me, so we can do lifestyle content on the weekends when he's not doing his own thing, and it would just be really nice because I'll have a little bit of extra help and I won't need to film everything sitting, you know, straight to camera. So leave some stuff that you guys would like to see. Do you want to see the micro concealing video? Would the jeans video be anything that you guys are interested in? Or like food, coffee? I don't know. You have to help me out with lifestyle because I just don't even know where to start. But I will be doing a lifestyle favorites video coming up pretty soon. And it'll just be filmed like my, you know, regular favorites video. So I'll probably film that coming up soon. So other than that, guys, I really hope that you liked this little get ready with me. I always have fun filming these just because I like filming stuff that's a little bit more casual and not so like precise and tutorial like. So yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know. I really need your help with the lifestyle stuff because I just don't even know where to start. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. I love you guys all so much. Bye.